It's the CNC direct, but you're just funny. My name is Richard. I'm sitting in the corner. Sitting in the corner, playing my recorder now. Look, it's Mooncraft.
It's me.
Oh my god. Anyways, guys, this is actually gonna be a serious video. So yeah, guys, we're just chilling like a villain. Bro, why the car's about to, so you can't like punch the screen, right? Alright, guys. Oh, is that him? Ah! No, my screen. The screen. Big balls. Ah, no. Sitting in the corner playing my recorder.
What are you saying?
I'm saying my parents really wanted me to be a lawyer. Oh yeah. Look at that butt. Wait, what? Since I was a kid, oh beep. Oh no, the kids. I'm sorry, but guys, you can just say, oh, beep. His name is Richard. His name is Carter. He's sitting in the corner. Sitting in the corner playing his magic. Wait, what? Look into my leg. Oh, look at the big giant square bite. Wait, what? Ah! What's up, guys? It's a Statue of Liberty.
Yeah.
Ah! Guys, Carter, don't you? The CNC New York special Cedric and Carter funny compilation. Don't you